Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing every source you will sync together. Record or identify a clear sync point like a clap or slate visual and audio. Confirm that your camera and recorder use the same audio sample rate, for example 48,000 HC, or note differences. Also check the video frame rate, such as 24 FPS, 30 FPS, or 29. 97 FPS before alignment. Rename files with descriptive tags to avoid confusion during editing. Store all files in one folder to speed the import and avoid missing media issues. Open your editing software and import all prepared files into a new timeline. Use waveform matching or metadata auto-sync features in tools like Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve to align tracks automatically. If automatic matching fails, zoom into waveforms and adjust the audio offset in milliseconds until peaks align visually. Pay attention to audio drift across long clips and recheck sync at multiple points. Once aligned, lock both camera video and external audio tracks to prevent accidental movement during further editing. For manual fixes, place clear reference points such as lip movement at 3 different moments. Cut the audio and nudge clips by frame increments or specific milliseconds to realign problem sections. If you encounter consistent drift, check recorder sample rates and consider resampling audio to a common 48,000 HC. Use nested sequences to apply global adjustments without losing clip-level tweaks. Finally, export a short proof clip and review it with quality headphones to verify sync accuracy before final delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.